Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Gerard. Today, I will be reading you a poem called The Frame of Mind from the book 95 Poetic Cues, written by Danny Martin Gerard. The frame of mind. It's normal to feel as though you want to give in, and it's normal to feel weak at times. These emotions are all part of being human. The only barrier is when you allow this frame of mind to persist and you do nothing to confront it. If you stay in this frame of mind, nothing good can happen and you lost all power. Recognize that feeling and accept you're only human, while knowing with complete awareness your victory is near. Your spirit says you can conquer anything, and your spirit says your path always leads to success. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was powerful. Now, I'd like to take a moment with you and just realize the simple things in life and have gratitude for those things. Just the smallest things. Like, I am very grateful to be able to wear socks. I'm grateful for hats and hot, sunny weather. I am very grateful for sunglasses. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. With love. Thank you so much for listening. Have a beautiful day.